A little while ago I did a full restoration on a 201 hand crank machine, which there is a video of if you'd like to see it. Well, I've just done another full restoration on a 201 electric. So I thought you might like to see the two of them together as sisters and see how they compare. And a little surprise, this is an aluminium 201. Thought I'd add that into the mix as well. I have some plans for that. So this is the full lineup of the Singer 201s. This is newly come in, an old aluminium version. That's still in the state when it arrived, so that's ready for a rebuild. This is an early 201 hand crank. You can see it has the decorated end. And this is a later 201 electric. And on this one you can see the faceplate is just striped. So there you go. Not so often these days you see three versions of a 201 in the same place.